You might be wondering, why clean your washing machine? Well, you ever clean your shower? Exactly. As you'll see, soap, scum, and dirt residue, they don't all wash away, especially in washing machines. This accumulating residue can not only affect appliance performance, but can also grow into odor-causing bacteria that transfers onto clothing, sheets, stuffies, and more. Luckily, the solution is simple. Affresh washing machine cleaner powers away odor-causing residues and grime, even in places you can't see, like in the washer pump, valve, drain hose, and the washer drum. Well, hello, sock. To use Affresh, simply open the pouch and drop one Affresh tablet into an empty washing machine. Next, run the washer's clean cycle or set to the washer's longest and hottest setting. That's it. Affresh washing machine cleaner is safe for all major makes and models, including high-efficiency top-load and front-load washers. For a confident clean, use Affresh Appliance Care monthly on all your hard-working appliances, and never question your clean.